Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you two unique recipe options, one for our veggie folks and other for our non-veg folks, using the same curry base. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's get right into it. In a kadhai, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some hing, and some curry leaves. Next add chopped onions. The flame is on the medium. Saute the onions until they become soft like this and turn translucent. Once the onions are fried well, add about 8 to 10 baby potatoes. I have peeled them and cleaned them. Give everything a good mix and turn the flame to medium-low. Cover and now let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium-low flame. After about 8 minutes, open and start adding the spices: turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, garam masala powder, and red chili powder. Give everything a really good mix. If you want to cook this curry a little faster, you can chop the potatoes instead of adding them as whole. Cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium-low flame. Open and add 1 medium tomato. Mix it well. The tomato adds that tangy flavor to this curry. We have not added any water yet to this curry. Cover and again cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Open and notice that there is a lot of moisture released, and this is all because of the tomatoes and onions. There is no extra water added. Let's make sure that the potato is cooked, and since I added whole potatoes, it took some time, but now it's well done. Since this is a rasa bhaji, we are going to add half a cup of warm water, salt and some goda masala. Give everything a good mix. The batata rasa bhaji is almost done. All we need to do is just simmer for another minute or two. Cover and let it simmer for 1 or 2 minutes on a medium flame. Open after about 2 minutes and our batata rasa bhaji is done. Garnish with some coriander leaves and serve hot. You can enjoy it with some hot rice or rotis. This is our veggie option. Now let's take a look at the non-veg option using the same curry base. So in the same curry, add another half a cup of water and give it a good mix. Since we added additional water, add some additional salt and give it a good mix. To make it a non-veg option, we are simply going to add some eggs. Once the curry gets a boil, add the eggs at a distance from each other like this. If you are in a hurry, you can break the eggs directly into the pot as well. I have added 4 eggs. Cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-low flame, just so much that you'll notice that white layer starts to form on the eggs. Open after about 10 minutes. Now we are going to poke the eggs like this so that all the juices kind of penetrate inside these eggs. Cover and let it simmer for another minute or two on a medium flame. Anda batata rasa bhaji is done. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. Enjoy it with some rice, roti or chapati. If you've enjoyed both these recipes, definitely give them a try and please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.